Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by claiming a short, focused window. Set a 10-15-minute timer so you work fast and decisively. Collect a small kit: flashlight for dark spaces, phone camera to document spots, notepad to track checked areas, and a bag for found items. Then move to the last place you remember using the object and search that zone thoroughly. Check pockets, couch cushions, and immediate surfaces. Once done, log where you looked and whether you found any leads to narrow the next sweep. You now run a systematic sweep. Work room by room, top to bottom, so you don't hide the item by moving it downward. Use zones: 1, immediate surfaces; 2, containers and drawers; 3, underneath and behind furniture, and check each methodically. Open boxes, flip cushions, and empty small pockets. Use your flashlight to look into dark cavities and your phone camera to inspect tight spaces. Make quick notes of where you searched and any partial clues. That prevents repetition and guides a focused second pass when the initial sweep misses the item. You now move into final recovery. Retrace your last actions and mentally recreate how you used the item, because muscle memory often reveals the hiding place. Use specific aids: magnets for small metal objects, a lint roller for tiny items, and your camera log to compare locations. If you still can't find it, stop and wait 24 hours. Taking a break resets attention and often reveals the item on a calm second look. If repeated searches fail, broaden the search to vehicles, bags, and shared spaces, and ask others to help.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.